Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate and connect your GoDaddy website builder with your GoDaddy email. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the website builder if you've not already. So you can go to godaddy.com right here. And from here, we can get started opening up our website. Once you open it up in editor mode, here at the left side of the screen, you can go and find all the settings that you can use and the right side as well for managing your website. And here we have the option to get a custom domain that you can use to take you to your portfolio. So if you cannot find this option right here on the get a custom domain option, you can just go ahead and open up the GoDaddy website to log into your account and open up your portfolio directly from here. That's going to open up this dashboard from where we can get started setting up all of the settings we need for our GoDaddy website. And from here, you can get started integrating it with your GoDaddy email. If you have any DNS service that you're using with GoDaddy already and so on, you are going to go and be able to implement it directly right here from the dashboard settings. You can follow the steps right here and search for the domain name whose DNS you'd like to manage, or you can go and manage the domains that you have been using directly with your GoDaddy email, and you can go and search for them right here as well and then add them to your website to use them as your main domain. So any more help or options that you need are all going to go and be available right here to manage the settings of your website, and that is how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.